Hi class, hello on this holiday weekend. I just completed a code challenge for you on strings and list. I will publish this to GitHub. This is a code challenge, so these are bonus points, 20 bonus points. I realize this is a holiday weekend. Some of you are traveling. I'll make this due a week from today. These are pretty much the essentials for what you need going into the midterm that I will publish on next week or week after that. There are a lot of instructions here, but they're very, very small. Just go step by step with these. The list commands, I think the list and the commands I'm pretty confident about because those are working. You can see the list down here. It changes with the inserts and gets sorted and unsorted. But anyway, if there are some mistakes in the hints that I've given you in strings, please forgive me. It's just a typo on my part. And you can send me a query in Canvas, or you can see me tomorrow, Saturday, at office hours. All right, happy coding with Code Challenge, and hopefully I'll see you at office hours. If not, have a pleasant holiday, and I'll catch up with you next week.